Hey everybody, it's Allie and welcome back to my channel. Today it is week 2 of my skin journey update using only Murad. And I just wanted to show you guys where I'm at. I did pick up a few new Murad products, so I'm going to show you guys that right now. I picked it up at my beauty supply, like for professionals. That's where I usually get a lot of my stuff like that. But they do have Murad at Ulta too. I don't know where else they have it, but this is what I got. They have these little kits, which I really like because I feel like it's a good way of trying out the product. So I got this one, which is the Get Over It. It's a $55 value for $29. And then I got this Ready Radiant Retinol. It's a $98 value and I got it for $55. In the Get Over It, you get the clarifying cleanser, which I have been using prior to purchasing this. So I do like that one. So I was like, why not get this kit since I know that I like that cleanser? I also got the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment and the oil and pore control mattifier. I do have the cleanser. This is actually my old one because it's like almost empty. The newer one is in my bathroom right now. And so is the Outsmart Acne Clarifying Treatment. That is this little guy on the box. That one is also in my bathroom right now. So sorry, I'm not gonna run and get it just because I'm all set up and stuff. But anyway, so it has the cleanser, the treatment, and I have not used the oil and pore control mattifier. This does have SPF 45 in it. So this is an oil-free moisturizer and it's supposed to control oil and shine and minimize the appearance of pores. I haven't used this yet. I'm a little, I guess, weary about it because I have used Murad's Invisablur, which is also something that's meant to blur out the pores. So it sounds very similar to that, and the Invisablur does make me break out. So I have not used this, although it is oil-free. I think the Invisablur is supposed to be non-comedogenic. How do you say that? But that does actually break me out. So fun fact, I guess, just because it can say that it's non-comedogenic doesn't necessarily mean that it does not break you out. That's actually something new that I learned. I thought maybe it was just something going on with me because I'm like, that product's not supposed to make you break out, but it made me break out. So anyways, enough of that. I went on a tangent, but I have not used this yet because I'm a little unsure if this is going to break me out or not. The cleanser I've used, the pore control thing I have not used, the clarifying treatment, which I do not have with me now. It's in my bathroom. I have to say, I do like that. They are, both the cleanser and the treatment are 1% salicylic acid. They do have a spot treatment that's 2% salicylic acid, which I was thinking about picking up, but I didn't. I do have to say, and I'll show you guys in my little update, I had a couple of little guys come out, and with that treatment, I feel like it actually did make a big difference. So the salicylic acid in there is doing its job. So that's the Get Over It little kit. And this is the Invisiscar, which I spoke about. I picked up a larger size just because I do like this product a lot. And I feel like I think I'm running out of it. It's hard to tell because it just feels really light in general. But I figured I'd pick up a bigger size just because I know that I like it. I know that it works well on me. And why not have the bigger one, I guess, on deck? So that's the Get Over It. As far as the Ready Radiant Retinol, Retinol is a product that I haven't really used, mainly because, and I might be giving out misinformation, and I'm sorry if I am, that is not my intention. Then it's just showing that I need to educate myself more. But from my understanding, retinol is a really powerful ingredient, and I believe that it's not supposed to be used while pregnant or nursing, I think. And for those of you who don't know, I've had a couple of babies back to back, and currently I am not pregnant or nursing. So I was like, now is my chance, my little window of time to try retinol. So I've heard really good things as far as like wrinkles and fine lines with retinol, but I do believe it actually is supposed to help with acne too. However, I think that its main purpose is for anti-aging. But this comes with, let me take it out, this Retinol Youth Renewal Serum. In 2 weeks, 93% of people saw a reduction in lines and wrinkles and smoother skin. It's supposed to be the #1 retinol product in the US. Okay, so this you use at night. It says reduced frequency of sensitivity occurs, and I actually have sensitive skin and this does not irritate my skin. This I have been using and I do actually like it so far. This does also come with, if I can get it out, this itty bitty retinol youth renewal eye serum. So it says 93% saw reduction in fine lines and wrinkles, 87% noticed firmer eye area skin in 4 weeks. So far it is claiming to work fairly quickly, but yeah, so I have been using this as well. And then it does come with the Retinol Youth Renewal Night Cream. So this is a night cream, so you are supposed to use it at night. You're supposed to just massage it over your face, neck, and chest. Again, it's supposed to help minimize fine lines and wrinkles. So far, I think that I have been enjoying this serum. But yeah, I guess that's like my first real dabble into the retinol category. That's what comes in the Ready Radiant Retinol Kit. And then I did pick up a few more things. I went a little crazy, I know, but I'm committing to this, and I'm hoping that it's not a mistake that I just invested all of this money into Murad. So hopefully it doesn't disappoint. But next I am going to show you what I got from the Environmental Shield line, which I believe is like their vitamin C line. This I mentioned, it's the Rapid Age Spot Lightening Serum. I picked up the Essential C Cleanser. If you guys saw my first video, I was using the AHA BHA cleanser, which I believe those are chemical exfoliants, and I was using the clarifying cleanser with salicylic acid. So I picked up this Essential C Cleanser just because the moisturizer from this line really agrees with my skin, and I felt like this is probably a more gentle cleanser than the salicylic acid and the AHA BHA. So I wanted an option of having a little bit more of a gentle cleanser, and I do like this. The one thing that I am noticing is that there is fragrance in like all of these products, which I'm not a fan of. It smells good, obviously. It doesn't seem like there's a ton of fragrance. It is basically second to last on all of the ingredients from what I've seen. I have to like look into it deeper, but this one's pretty good. I feel like it's actually really cleansing, but it doesn't like dry out my skin. So far, I got the Vita C Glycolic Brightening Serum. This I got because I believe glycolic acid is really good for like brightening and things like that. I don't believe that any of the other products had glycolic acid in it, so I figured I'd introduce this to help with the dark marks and all of that stuff. So it's like a dual chamber type thing. I guess when you squeeze it out, they mix up together. It's supposed to resurface your skin with the glycolic acid and enhance vitamin C delivery to your skin to help make it dramatically brighter and smoother. I have heard that vitamin C and AHA, I guess, doesn't work well together, but maybe because it's a dual chamber, it's formulated to work well together. I have heard that the SkinCeuticals vitamin C, I believe it has AHA and vitamin C, and that's formulated to work well together, which typically that's not the case. I'm learning with you guys, or if you guys know more than me, teach me, please. So I don't know, I guess the way that it's formulated and packaged, it's supposed to, I guess, interact together. I don't know. But anyways, I got this so I can have smoother, brighter skin, basically. The last couple things that I got, I know I went a little crazy, is by the hydration line. This line includes the AHA BHA cleanser and the water gel. I do really like the water gel a lot from this line. So I picked up the hydration from the hydration line, the Revitalixer Recovery Serum for face and eyes. This is supposed to help with like stressed skin. It's a serum. It's supposed to have neuropeptides, cannabis sativa seed oil, caffeine. This also has niacinamide in it, which I believe is good for like brightening and things like that. So that's why I got this, because I have stressed skin and I wanted to make it smoother and brighter. This you can use AM and PM. It's supposed to re-energize skin, smooth stress lines, and renew vibrancy. This I have liked. And then this is the, also from the hydration line, the Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. Now, the reason why I got this one is because I am, again, trying to educate myself on one of the things that I've been looking into is repairing the skin barrier. Who's heard of that? Because this is kind of new to me, and things like that could be from your skin barrier being like destroyed. And that's when you notice like flakiness and irritation and things like that. And I'm like, wait a second, you know, I believe that mine is hormonal. I also believe that it is due to stress, but because I did, you know, have like the redness and some of it is like a little flaky, I'm like, maybe I do need just more moisture, and I'm like overdoing it and defeating the purpose. So I picked this up and I thought it was helping. However, I don't know if this actually was clogging my pores, maybe because of the oils in here, that I actually did end up breaking out. So up here, I feel like definitely more moisturized, less dehydrated. I still see the fine lines and all that, but it's only been a couple of weeks. But something's not agreeing with my skin and I need to figure it out. In the beginning, I would wake up and just like my skin didn't feel dry here. Okay, so that's like basically my skin update. I'm gonna zoom out because I'm not loving what my skin looks like. Okay, so now when I asked my husband, I was like, does my skin look different? Does it feel different? He obviously noticed, like, you know, when he like kisses me and stuff, he was like, I definitely feel like your skin is feeling more moisturized or hydrated, whatever he said. But he mentioned, and I'm like, I understand what he's saying. He could tell that it's from like topical products, not necessarily like me actually getting hydrated, because I do need to drink more water and I need to get more sleep. And I know those are things that does affect just like your health in general. I get like maybe 5-6 hours of sleep a night on a good night. Between 4 and 6 hours of sleep is what I typically get. And that's my own fault because I just like have so much to do. So he mentioned that he thinks if I drank more water and got more sleep, that would make more of a difference than just like feeling the moisture, I guess, on a superficial level. But that's it. I do notice that my skin does feel better. I feel like my makeup applies better, but something in this whole Murad world that I have is just not agreeing with my skin. I think it's the soothing serum. I don't know. So I'm gonna try and focus on things that don't have like the oils, which is hard because I feel like a lot of them actually do have oils when I stop and look at the ingredients list. And a lot of them do have fragrance. So I'm at the point where I'm kind of feeling like, not regret, but I'm questioning like why I invested so much into these products, especially before really looking at the ingredients. The fragrance is a big one. The oils is a big one. I'm hoping that I can kind of get through this bump in the road, and I'm like, just keep going, be committed, finish the products, and maybe you'll be happily surprised. So I'm at that point where I'm like, maybe I should just stop, but I'm thinking, no, you got to keep going. So let's give it a few more weeks, or at least till I use up these products. But this is where I'm at. This is my update, my little haul. And yeah, this is a lot longer than I was anticipating for it to be. But anyways, that does it. Let me know if you guys have used any of these products. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Did they work wonders for you? Did they make your skin worse? Help me out here. Come along with me on this journey as I educate myself. Teach me things. Hopefully I can learn things and teach you too. And if not, this is just like a whole big just experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this little skin update. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't subscribed already. Ring the bell for notifications. You can see more updates on when I upload and things like that. Be sure to stay happy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.